This video will be about step by step how to actually monetize your followers in the easiest way possible. So if you're someone who has a lot of followers or just some followers and you're not monetizing them at all, or if you're making very little money from them and you know for a fact, hey, other people may just make way more money than you with the same amount or less followers, this video is going to show you exactly how to get started. We've done this method very many times and it's worked quite well. So let's go ahead, let's dive right in. So first thing you have to do is just point your followers in the direction of the highest converting mechanism to book calls. All right, so if you're watching this right now and you want to hit 10 to 30K a month, by far the easiest way to do that is by booking calls, right? Booking sales calls. Easiest mechanism to make money. All right, so you just have to start to point. All right, so let me give you an example of this. Like most people just like don't point at all. They don't have call to action. They don't push people away. They might have a link in their bio, but they never talk about it. And so most people don't even know you have an offer that exists. Most people don't even know you have a business. Like they just think you're like a content creator. All right, so let me give you an example of this, real life example. So I have a client we're working with, and he's someone who does have a pretty, substantial following on YouTube, but he got like, I think it was like maybe 2 or 3 calls booked in like the past few months. So like extremely low volume, even though he's pushing, tens of thousands of views in like pretty much every video he's producing, which is, quite good. And so he's getting a lot of traffic, a lot of views, a lot of followers, but no money, no dollars out of this. And so first thing we implement like right away is just point in the direction to book calls, like just point. And so what he's doing, for example, is he's putting at the in the comments in the description of a very simple call to action. Hey, if you're this person who wants this dream outcome, click this calendar link to book a one-on-one call with me. All right, it's extremely simple. All right, key here, this applies to everything they were doing here. It must be exact, clear, and easy. All right, so we're saying exactly, hey, click this link if you want this dream outcome. All right, click this link exactly. All right, so it's exact, it's clear, and it's easy. All right, what he was doing before was basically he said something like coaching help available or something in like the end of his videos. And the only place they could find is if they went to like his YouTube channel and like his link on his YouTube channel. So it was not clear, it was not easy, and it was not exact. And so that's why I was not converting before. So we just implemented these principles right here. Or another example, if you're on Instagram, for example, you have a lot of followers there. The easiest thing you can do is push people to DM you a certain keyword for help. All right, so it's like at the end of your videos, you can put in a simple call to action, or in your what's it called, your captions as well. You can put in a simple call to action that says, hey, if you're this person, you want this dream outcome, DM me this keyword for one-on-one help. All right, so you want to give them a keyword. Don't just say DM you. All right, so this is about making exact, clear, and easy as well. So if you just say to DM you, again, it's unclear. Some people will think overthink it, like, oh, well, what do I say? Do I tell them my goals or tell them my exact situation? I don't know what to say, so I'm just not going to DM them. It sounds stupid, but that's actually how it works. They just don't know the next step. They don't know what it is completely. And so we want it to be exact, clear, and easy. Hey, just DM me help. DM me start. DM me launch. All right, for the next steps. Just tell them exactly what to do. There should be no confusion, and they're just like, so simple, just do this exactly. That's essential. You need to have this. All right, so you can think of like whatever platforms you're on, just start doing this. Start making clear call to actions that are exact, clear, easy. Hey, do this exactly. All right, usually this pushes people to a calendar link or just pushing them to DM you. Those are going to be the easiest things you can do to book more calls. All right, number 2 is going to be spear posts. So spear posts are very simple, but most people just never do them. It's making simple posts that are a direct offer to work with you to get the dream outcome. So on Instagram, for example, you can post it on your story. It can also be a post on this that's just a very direct offer. Hey, are you this person who wants this dream outcome? I'm offering to work with you one-on-one if you want to do so. All right, DM me this keyword to get help, or click this link to book a call with me one-on-one, or give them the exact action to take. Hey, if you want this offer exactly, just do this once per week. And if you have a following, I guarantee you will get way more leads and way more clients just doing this. It's very simple, but no one does it. Just be consistent with it and just start doing this. All right, spear post. This is how you make your offer known. It's just telling people about your offer. That's the biggest concept in all of this is we need to put your offer in front of more people. That's the biggest thing. And so the last one here is going to be messaging your followers. All right, messaging your followers. So if you have, this could be on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, anything basically. You have followers, you can message them. You just want to put your offer in front of them. All right, that's the concept here. All right, the concept here is like there's a simple equation: offer times humans equals money. All right, the more humans that you put your offer in front of, the more money you will make. All right, the more humans you put your offer in front of, the more money that you make. Like it sounds simple because it is simple. Like that is the equation. That is how advertising works. All right, the more people that know about your thing, the more possible people that can become customers. If they don't know your offer exists, they will never pay you money. That's what your reality is right now. Most of your followers like don't even know you have an offer that exists. They don't. I've talked to so many people where like it's crazy. They have a ton of followers and they're like, I don't know where I'm not making money. And then I just see they're never making offers anywhere. There's no place I can find that they actually have an offer that exists, or it's actually extremely hard to find. All right, so that's the scenario for most people. We just need to make your offer known, and you can do it by doing these simple things, these 3 things. All right, point in the direction, make call to actions in your videos, in your posts, do spear posts once per week, a very direct offer, and then start to message your followers. Just talk to them, see if they have a problem that you can help, and then just ask them to hop on a call with you. All right, so you can help them. That is a simple concept, but like literally, like just think about this. Like, how many humans did I make known about my offer today? You want to maximize this number. All right, maximize the number of humans that know about your offer on a daily basis, and you will make more money. All right, so that is the top 3. Like literally, like this is the simplest way you can monetize your followers. Again, it's just so simple, it's so easy, but just most people don't do it. But you have to start doing this. And like the last thing I'll cover on this, which I didn't even write down, is the beliefs around this, because a lot of you might be watching this and you're like, well, like I really want to keep my brand, keep my reputation. It's like, I understand that. That's very important. Is your offer terrible? Or are you scamming people? Like, do you not have a good offer? Are you not an expert? All right, if so, then okay, like don't make an offer if you're not good. But if you are actually good, if you are actually an expert, you know for a fact you can help people, isn't your obligation to put your offer in front of as many humans as possible? Like think of this scenario: if you had the cure to cancer, but you kept it a secret, you didn't want to tell people about it, wouldn't that be a little bit evil or wrong to an extent? Like, why are you hiding your expertise? Why are you hiding your solutions to a very painful problem? Or think of like your best clients, your best people that you helped out. Like, what happened in their life? How did their life transform because of your help? Like, probably pretty dramatic. If that is the case, it is your obligation to put your offer in front of as many humans as possible. All right, don't be immoral, don't be unethical in hiding your offer, not making it known. All right, that is simply the limiting belief on your end. People love solutions to problems. People want help. That's why they buy things, is because they want to solve a problem. All right, so if you're hiding your thing, it's immoral in my eyes, as long as you're actually good and you really have a good solution for people. So that's the last bit as far as a mindset piece. Like, you have to get this around your mind of like, hey, if you have a good thing, it's your obligation to put it in front of people. So hope this video helped. If you want just like plug and play systems to start generating way more leads and start to actually monetize your followers and make way more money than you are right now, then go ahead and click the link in the description. I have an offer to work with you one-on-one to actually grow your coaching business. I'll work with you one-on-one personally. I'll give you all of our lead gen and sales systems into your business so you can start to implement this right away. So if that's you, click the link below and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.